Yo, that's a crazy motto for Uber Eats. Delivering your food at any means necessary. Fuck the law. Like, might have to order from Uber Eats in Brazil, bro. They're serious about it. Getting their food, but let's be honest, there's no food in there, man, probably. It's probably drugs or a person. One can only guess. So, the guy ran because the bike was stolen. Yeah, that's another common thing in Brazil. Massive bike theft. And really, because just committing crimes in Brazil with a bike is just so beneficial because there's just so many places the cops can't chase you. Steal bikes to use said bikes for more crime, and if those bikes get taken or towed or seized, you just go steal more bikes to continue your criminal enterprise, right? So, let's see. Well, look at you jumping that curb like a psycho and maintaining control of that thing. Yo, this is some next level fucking car chase right here. I feel like I'm in the Fast and the Furious, man. If this guy could make a great stuntman in Hollywood. Well, in this case, yeah, they actually can chase you because these cops are actually on motorcycles. I just noticed. Or motorbike cops. Yo, ripping off side view mirrors and everything, man. Just to keep up with this guy. And dude, the shitty part about being on a fucking bike while chasing a suspect for these cops is that completely rules out the ability to do a pit maneuver. But then again, I don't know what people's thoughts are on doing a pit maneuver on someone who's on a bike. That's automatic death for them. I say go for it because at the end of the day, it's fuck it, I guess, but not at the expense of yourself. So yeah, it's ruled out regardless. So, I mean, see how this ends. Yo, this is literally the definition of fast food. For real. Like, I'm seriously half expecting fucking Peter Parker to swing out of these fucking trees and steal the fucking pizzas back or something. Like, I don't know, man. It's wild. Got his ass. Get him. Grab him. Oh. I was half expecting the cop to leap off of his bike onto his, like on some fucking, like on some Tom Cruise type shit. Because you know it would have gone down like that in a movie. That cop would have fucking slammed, flown off his bike, midair, tackled him off his bike, subdued, over. Not in real life. Move out of the way, Susan! I know you heard those sirens. Into oncoming traffic, no less, too. Man, like, these cops on these bikes they're different in many ways, and I don't have time to explain how or why, but they just are.
Vai, filho da puta, desce! Desce! Vou matar você! Eu vou te matar!
I don't know what he's saying, but I guarantee he's cussing you out, telling you to pull over. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get him. You got him. You got him. Hit him. Ram him. You're there. Oh. Get him. Oh, he's got to get him. Oh. Officer, how good are you at driving that motorcycle with one hand? Because just drive next to him, reach over, yank his ass. You might fall, but at these speeds, you won't die. Oh, he tried to pit right there, kind of. Dude, what if they catch him and the plot twist is like the officer gets off his bike and is like, yo, we fucking ordered that hours ago. You know how long we've been chasing you? Give us our fucking food, dog. Oh my god. Imagine. Wow, either all of Brazil looks the same or we've gone in a circle. I feel like I've seen this road like 2 times already. Get his ass. Get his ass right here. Now's your chance. Now's your chance. Damn. Oh my god, and you fumbled the bag! Oh, you were doing so good. Yeah, dude, all they had to do was wait it out, man. All they had to do is wait it out, and this is usually what happens, bro. If police can't catch you, they're just going to keep chasing you until you make a mistake. Damn, son. Damn. That's just... in the arms of an angel. There you go, dude. Kicked him. You little bitch. You know how fucking expensive gas is? I'm chasing for 2 hours. I love that the officer kicked him twice just out of pure anger because the chase took that long. It's kind of like, you made me run. I didn't want to run. You made me run. You made me chase you. I can't shoot you because that'd be a bad look, but I'm going to get a lick in, you little bitch. Like...
Fala, Modulo quer pegar aqui, caralho.
Go, country. Take it easy.
Praça Califórnia. Ô, Modulo devagar, caralho. Hey.
I think that's it.
Calma, calma.
I think that's it. Yeah. Lord have mercy. That was riveting, actually. Like, dude, he's so dedicated to delivering that food. More entertainment than the whole Fast and Furious friend. Dude, I'm saying. That was like... that whole YouTube video was on crack cocaine. Dude, yeah, the food might still be hot, actually, to be honest. That video was only 4 minutes. I don't know when the chase actually started. Because we kind of just, like, started the video at the chase. But... yeah, the food was probably still good.